Hey guys, today the 1st of April. It's very nice weather. The farmer has plowed the land again around. Hey guys, so I'm filling you in back again. I mounted temporarily again the steering column and the steering wheel because I have problems with the register wires for the heating. They're wrong, so I have to order new ones from Spain. Oh, I ordered this week, or I just have to see if they have got the new ones or not. But I did it so far that I can maneuver the car with the steering wheel, a little in or a little outside. So that is it. In the meanwhile, I try to do some other things and anxious to see what's happening in 2, 3 or 4 weeks ahead. But I feel you in back later again. Bye. Wish you all a nice Easter. Ciao.